everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Felipe Soto and thank you so much for clicking this video. Today we're gonna be unboxing two collections from Integrity Toys for the 2018. The first collection is from the line S59, which is called Cocktails. I think so. Well, at the webinar this collection didn't have a name, but they call it Cocktails, so we're gonna stay with the same name. The second collection is from the Poppy Parker line, and this one is called City Sweetheart. So we're gonna be unboxing both of them today, and I'm really excited about it. The box is huge and it's really heavy. So here is the box. So let's see what is inside. I will be back soon and we'll see what we get.
The first doll is Mai Tai Zwizzle. She is 135. The character is Constance. She is wearing this yellow, black, green horizontal lines dress. Her makeup is in the browns palette and gold. She is wearing a red lipstick. She has a gold belt on it. Actually, this is a two pieces outfit, a button up skirt and a blouse. Her skin tone is cream. There is another outfit which looks to me very sailor. We have the same fabric from the last outfit on the neck. This is a two pieces outfit, some shorts and a jacket in yellow. Seems like it's nothing in here. Yeah, empty. And here we have the accessories pack. So we got the cocktail, the shoes, the extra hands, the jewelry, and parts for the stand. Now she's out of the box. Now we see the jewelry on, the makeup. She has a bracelet. It's cute. He has some coins and blue beads on it. The shoes are, the sole is like rope and the other part is gold. The hairstyle is very cute. I really like it. Her hair is like copper or auburn, which I think works perfectly for her skin tone. She's holding the cocktail, but it's really hard to hold it with these hands. The cocktail is petite, is cute. The ice cubes are really cute. The stand has the logo on it. This is the second outfit, which I think looks a little bit big, so I would like to play a little bit with this. I open a few buttons and I put the belt from the last outfit. She looks better now. Now I like it better. Our next doll is Turquoise Sparkler, and her price is 135 as well. The character is Miss Evelyn. She is wearing this beautiful turquoise dress. It has like in a print, they are like flowers, and actually the stuff that looks like white, it's silver, and the flowers are like shiny and they have like glitter on it. She doesn't have anything extra. Yeah, this is just a stick for the stand, and probably empty again. Yep. And probably here we should get the accessories pack, which has the parts for the stand, the jewelry, the gloves, that's a box, the extra hands, and a little purse. Her skin tone is Fashion Royalty white. This is the jewelry. It's so beautiful. It's my favorite from the collection. This is how it looks on her. This is the little purse. It's so cute. The shoes are adorable. That bow on them, it's adorable. This is like in a battle box, I will say. The gloves, they feel like leather, kinda. Turquoise Sparkler is one of my favorites from the collection, absolutely. Her makeup, it's so strong. She got this attitude. Her hair, it's black, which works pretty well with this skin tone. Our next doll is Tanjiro Tangerine, and her price is 135 too. The character is Miss Constance again. She is wearing this like suit, an orange color with some yellow. The jacket is beautiful. The skirt has a very interesting like design on it. Also, she's wearing this sweater with turtleneck. This beautiful skirt, I love it. Those tulips, and the belt is pretty. There's one. Okay, he finally got something. So this is a hat. This hat is very specific and particular from this era, so it's very appropriate. And then we have the accessory pack, which this time is bigger because we got the cocktail glass and a Tanger bottle. And then we have some gloves, we have the hands, 2 pairs of shoes, that's awesome, the jewelry and the stand parts. Okay, so here we have the jewelry on. This is like in a bracelet. That's a magnetic that she has on the jacket, which I really like. The design is pretty. And she has some orange shoes that match the outfit. She really surprised me. I really like her. Here we have the hat, and the cocktail glass is so pretty. I love it. It looks really realistic. Also, it's sticky. I don't know if it's sugar or something in it, but it's sticky. And then she got into the party a little bit, and she's holding the Tanger bottle. This surprised me a lot because she has this bodysuit, which has long sleeves and turtleneck, but I think it's awesome. I was like, oh my gosh, look at this. And this skirt is everything. I love it so much. These tulips are so pretty, and of course these sky blue shoes that match perfectly the outfit. We have the orange shoes, 2 pairs of rings, earrings, and then we got the bracelet and the magnetic for the jacket, and the gloves. I'm terrible putting gloves on it, so I didn't try them. This is the system that they are using for this collection to put the clothes together, which I really like. And our last girl, the Americano. She is 135 as well. Well, finally, the last character is Evelyn again. She is so beautiful. I love her makeup and those blue eyes, super intense. She's wearing this dress, this fitted red and black dress, which looks great on her. She has this belt, and she has this button up and a bow tie. I love her. So she has an extra piece, which is the coat. Let's see, this coat is the same fabric. And wait, she has a hat. Oh, it's here. Okay, so this is like a gift box, I guess. This is the hat. Let's put it what it's supposed to be. Let's put it in here. Okay, and then we have the accessories pack with the jewelry purse. That's nice, I like it. And then we have the hands with gloves on it. I love them. And the shoes. Now, well, this is how she looks out of the box. I really like the purse. I like the texture on the material. Things looks nice and works way with the whole outfit. The shoes are classic. They're black and red. I like the jewelry. She has two bracelets, a black one and a gold one. The hat, I love the hat in black. I think that looks better. It's more mystery. Now she's wearing the coat and holding the gift box. I hope it's not a cake box. And then this is the jewelry, the two bracelets, the gold one and the black one. And the earrings are like flowers with some like little stone in red. I love her. She's my queen from this collection. The coat is so well done. It's really cute. I love the design. Oh wait, girl, where is your cocktail? She doesn't have one. Interesting. So let's take a last close up to the whole collection together, and we can appreciate the details and also the final result together. I would like to say that Chris, the designer for this collection, told us the reveal that his inspiration for this collection was Dior. I guess it's Christian Dior, the designer, and his style. Also the fashion from the 50s, and yeah, we can see how it was captured on every single of these outfits.
Almost 4 in the morning. They take a lot of time to put them together, but it's totally worth it. So this is a beautiful collection, so well done. They are absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy about this collection. So thank you so much for that, Chris. I really enjoyed this time playing with these dolls. I totally love them. I hope you have fun too, guys. I know that I said that I was going to do the video for the Poppy Parker collection. I'm gonna make a second part for that video, so I hope you check it out after this one. My social media information is gonna be around also in the description box, so I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye. Let's get into it. I'm done. No more. No more! Ah! I can't. So, thank you. Oh, this is terrible. I'm making too many mistakes. Oh my god, I'm gonna bug this shit so bad. Lame. Move on.